एंड डूइंग ग्रेट। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल यंग ट्यूटर। और आज हम वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट चैप्टर्स ऑफ हिस्ट्री करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर। सो बेसिकली आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट नाजिज्म वाज अ नेम ऑफ अ ग्रुप और वाज अ नेम ऑफ अ कम्युनिटी, एंड लेटर हिटलर, it was a name of a community or it was a name of a group, it was a whole system. Okay, सिर्फ it was a whole system of acts. And it later also became the political party and held a one of the most important significance in Germany before the time of 1945. And the rise of Hitler, say we are discussing that later Hitler became the, you can say, the leader of this group of Nazism. Okay. In the spring of 1945, a little 11-year-old German boy called Helmut was lying in bed when he overheard his parents discussing something in serious tones. His father, a prominent physician, deliberated with his wife whether the time had come to kill the entire family or he should commit suicide alone. So, इन द स्प्रिंग ऑफ 1949 एक छोटा सा 11 साल का बच्चा था जिसका जर्मन बॉय था, जिसका नाम हेलमट था। तो वो सिर्फ बेड पे आराम से लेटा हुआ था जब उसने अपने पेरेंट्स के बीच में हो रही डिस्कशन को ओवरहियर कर लिया था, मतलब सुन लिया था, जो बहुत ही सीरियस बातें कर रहे थे। दिस वी कैन गेट टू नो फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड विच इज रिटन इन सीरियस टोन्स. His father, a prominent physician, deliberated with his wife whether the time had come to kill the entire family or if he should suicide alone. तो उसके फादर जो बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट फिजिशियन थे, मे बी मिनिस्टर, यू कैन से पॉलिटिशियन, और द वन हु यूज टू फेवर अ ग्रुप ऑफ कम्युनिटी, उनको हमने बोल दिया प्रोमिनेंट फिजिशियन. प्रोमिनेंट मीन्स जो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ओपनली फुल सपोर्ट अपना देते थे. डेलिब्रेटेड विद हिज वाइफ मीन्स कि कंसल्ट किया अपने वाइफ से कि टाइम आ चुका था कि या तो हम पूरी फैमिली को मार दें या सिर्फ उसका फादर अलोन सुसाइड कमिट करे. हिज फादर स्पोक आउट ऑफ फियर ऑफ रिवेंज, सेइंग नाउ द एलाइज विल डू टू अस व्हाट वी डिड टू द क्रिपल्ड एंड जूस. अब उसके फादर ने डर से, रिवेंज के डर से बोला कि अब जो एलाइड पावर्स हैं वो भी हमारे साथ वही करेंगी जो हमने ज्यूज और द क्रिपल्ड के साथ किया था. सो बेसिकली ज्यूज वॉज नथिंग बट दे वर अ ग्रुप ऑफ, दे वर अगेन अ कम्युनिटी और दे वर अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल who used to follow Judaism, या maybe some other, you can say some orthodox form or some new form of Christianity were referred as Jews, and the crippled were the disabled people. So हम आगे पढ़ेंगे कि हिटलर जो था, नाजिज्म जो कम्युनिटी थी, वो उसने पूरे फिज़िकली डिसेबल्ड लोगों को और ज्यूज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिसाइज़ किया और बहुत सारे इनह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ की, उनकी किलिंग की, देन उनको मारा गया, उनको किल से भी गंदी गंदी चीज़ें दे हैड एक्सपीरियंस्ड. So the next day, and what are Eli's power? We are going to read it further. And the next day, he took Helmut to the woods where he spent the last happy time together singing their old children's songs. Later, Helmut's father shot himself in his office. Helmut remembered that he saw his father's bloody uniform being burnt in the family's fireplace. So traumatized he was by what he had heard and what had happened that he reacted by refusing to eat at home for the following 9 years. He was afraid that his mother might poison him again. So that means कि अगले दिन क्या हुआ? It was just a little story, a story time which was given here, relating to the chapter. कि अगले दिन क्या हुआ? हेलमट के father, he took Helmut to the wood for the very last. In the woods means in the forest, in a place for a nice little picnic for the very last time. और फिर उसके आते ही बाद हिज फादर शॉट हिमसेल्फ इन हिज ऑफिस या फिर इन हिज स्टडी, जो घर का ऑफिस लोग पीपल से या जो स्टडी होता है उधर ही शॉट. और हेलमत ने देखा उसकी मदर जो है, या मे बी यू कैन से कि हेलमत ने देखा उसकी फादर की ब्लडी यूनिफॉर्म जो है, इट वॉज बींग बर्नड इन द फैमिलीज फायर प्लेस। और फिर वो कह रहे हैं वो इस इवेंट से इतना ट्रॉमेटाइज हो गया था क्योंकि उसके एक रात ही पहले ही ओवरहर्ड अ कन्वर्जेशन बिटवीन हिज पेरेंट्स, एंड देन लेटर इन द फॉलोइंग डे ही फाउंड हिज फादर कमिटिंग सुसाइड। सो उसने जो भी सुना, इतना ट्रॉमेटाइज होने के बाद ही रिफ्यूज टू ईट फूड एट होम फॉर द फॉलोइंग 9 years। मतलब जब तक वो 20 साल का नहीं हुआ उसने घर का खाना नहीं खाया क्योंकि उसको लगा कि उसकी माँ उसको पॉइजन कर देगी, ठीक है। Although Helmut may not have realized all that it meant, his father had been a Nazi and a supporter of Adolf Hitler। तो कह रहे कि दो हेलमत ने रियलाइज नहीं किया होगा कि उसके फादर ने क्यों किया, क्योंकि जब लिखा हुआ है दैट हिज फादर वॉज अ प्रोमिनेंट फिजिशियन, हिज फादर वॉज अ प्रोमिनेंट और अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्टर। बट किसके सपोर्टर थे? नाजी थे, नाथसी थे। That means he was a part of that community. The people who were part of that Nazism community were referred as Nazis. And he was a supporter of Adolf Hitler. He was a supporter of one of the world's most, you can say, डेंजरस पीपल, क्योंकि अडोल्फ हिटलर ने बहुत ज़्यादा इनह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ की। ही डिड थिंग्स विच वर अगेंस्ट एनी person's life. Many of you will have something about the Nazi and Hitler. You probably know the Hitler's determination to make Germany into a mighty power and his ambition of conquering all of Europe. So it could be a one marker question that what was Hitler's determination and what were his ambitions. So उसका determination था कि वो पूरा जर्मनी को एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा माइटी पावर बना। दैट मीन्स ही वॉन्टेड टू सी जर्मनी एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल वर्ल्ड्स इन द मोस्ट पावरफुल कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड ही वॉन्टेड टू कॉन्कर ऑल ऑफ द यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट। उसको पूरा यूरोप कॉन्कर करना था। दैट मीन्स ऑल द कंट्रीज इन साइड यूरोप ही वॉन्टेड टू कॉन्कर। That means if he had this aim, that meant that he would also have participated in the wars, क्योंकि from wars only you can conquer. That means he had also actively participated in wars and did something in his own country or in his or in the Germany where he used to live, to alter those things out. You may have heard that he killed Jews. He didn't like Jews, and Germany was one such country where most of the population or some of the population were Jews. But Nazism was not one or two isolated acts. And when we're talking about Nazism, we are not talking about any one or two, acts which they have performed, any specific acts, but it was a whole system. It was a structure of ideas about the world and about the politics. कि it is a chapter in which you can see कि politics भी किस extent तक जा सकती है। कि here is a picture of Hitler didn't used to click any pictures, but here is a picture, and from here you can see कि how a person can go on extending his limits to just see one's country as one of the world's most powerful countries in the world. ठीक है, let us try to understand what Nazism was all about, and let us see why Helmut's father killed himself on what basis of his fear was. So अभी हम जो भी पढ़ेंगे, it was why Helmut's father killed himself. It was the acts which the Nazi people did to the citizens of the country, or maybe not even to the citizens, but even the people who came from abroad to live in this country. ठीक है, in 1945 Germany surrendered to the Allies again. So that means it is a maybe group of power, and where here when surrendered, that means where here discussing about a war. ठीक है, yes, it is a scenario of war. Anticipating what was coming, Hitler, his propaganda minister Goebbels, and his entire family committed suicide collectively in his Berlin bunker in April. At the end of the war, an international military tribunal at Nuremberg was set up to prosecute Nazi war criminals for crimes against peace and war.